This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Place absorbent rags around the oil filter location. Then, using a suitable socket, unscrew and remove the cover along with the filter cartridge. Wipe clean the inside of the filter housing. Pull the old filter housing from the cover and remove the rubber sealing ring. Clean the cover, then fit the new sealing ring into the groove. Lubricate the sealing rings with a little clean engine oil. Press the new filter element into the housing, then refit the cover. Tighten the cover to the specified torque. Position the jack head under the reinforced jacking point in the middle of the front subframe and raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the plastic jacking points under the door sills. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump drain plug. Open the access flap where fitted, then unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Clean the drain plug and fit a new sealing washer. Refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Pour in a couple of litres first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to fall to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Finally, bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Insert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before pressure builds up. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.